Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Trivago. So let me take you to the website, which is trivago.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Trivago, Trivago allows users to compare hotel prices and availability from various booking sites and online travel agencies, making it easier for travelers to find the best deals on accommodations. It aggregates information from different sources, including online travel agencies, hotel chains, and individual hotel websites to provide users with comprehensive overview of hotel options for their desired destination. So if you want, you can come to the website and probably book an amazing destination for yourself if you're in the mood to have a vacation. That's totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Trivago. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Trivago and promote them to our audience. And when we bring our audience to Trivago, and when these audience would go through Trivago to the hotel booking sites and makes the purchase, then guess what? You'll get the commission. So let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the bottom of the page. You have to come to the website first and you have to scroll down and you have to click on affiliate in here. When you do that, it will take you to the affiliate program information page of Trivago. Now, observe, it's on the travel payouts domain, and we will talk about it shortly. So over here, they're trying to say that they got over 5 million hotels to recommend, and they share 40% revenue. So this is basically the commission rate. What do you mean by revenue share here? So when it comes to Trivago, when you bring audience to Trivago, these people of yours would search for the best accommodations, and whatever they like, they would just click on it and will be redirected to the actual hotel's website to make the purchase. So whenever they book the accommodation for themselves, Trivago would earn some money out of it. So whatever Trivago would earn, you will get 40% of it. So that's why it's called 40% revenue share. That's great. Then they got 175 million aggregated hotel tracking and the other information as well that you can read to have better understanding as well. Now, the question is, how do you join the affiliate program? For that, let's go to the travelpayouts.com homepage. Now, what is travel payouts and why we are talking about them? So, travel payouts is one of the amazing affiliate marketing network out there, only focusing on travel related brands out there. So, if you want to be a part of travel related brands to do affiliate marketing, then this is the best platform for you. And in our case, since we want to promote Trivago, so we have to join a specific affiliate marketing network. Affiliate marketing network basically works as a mediator between affiliates and brand. In our case, Trivago is part of Travel Payouts, and that's why we have to join Travel Payouts as an affiliate. And this way we can join the affiliate program of Trivago. Now, how do you join Travel Payouts as an affiliate? For that, you can simply click on Join Us, and then you can fill up the form. Now, I understand registration could be tough. There are plenty of things to keep in mind. Even when you get an account with Travel Payouts, there are indeed many amazing options out there. So don't you worry. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow through the instructions, and by the end of that video, you'll have a detailed understanding of Travel Payouts affiliate dashboard that they got. So let's say you already have an account with Travel Payouts, or you ended up creating an account with that. In that case, you can click on Login. When you do that, it will take you to the login page, enter your email address and the password in here, and then click on Login, which will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but in our case, for this video, we will only be talking about Trivago. For that, you can go to Programs, and over here, you can search for Trivago. And when you do that, it will show you the program Trivago US. And to see more information, you can click on details. And when you do that, it will take you to the brand profile page. Over here, you can see, you can read about them. And then they're also trying to say that pre-approval is required. That means when you would apply to the affiliate program through Travel Payouts Dashboard, the team of Trivago will review your information, will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. So when you would create an account with Travel Payouts, you would also be giving your online presence details. So the team of Trivago in this case here would see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And depending on that, they'll give you the approval, which could take up to 2 business days when you apply to the affiliate program. Then they're trying to say that make sure your project meets the requirements of the affiliate program. This means that whenever you plan to promote them, should have traffics mainly from USA. That means your audience should be mainly from USA, and then should contain original travel content as well. That's really important for them. Is at least 2 months old, is regularly updated and contains up-to-date information. So these is the information should be there too. And then it also allows to organically integrate affiliate links into your content. That means basically it's possible for you to add tracking links within your content. Does not contain offensive content, viruses, or other negative content. So this is a requirement that you can keep in mind when you want to apply to the affiliate program of Trivago. Then they say these are the benefit you could read and understand. Then the rate. So as I say, 40% of Trivago click out revenue. So it's basically whatever they will earn, you'll get 40% of it. That is great. Then comes sales attribution. You earn commission from every purchases user makes using desktop version of the website or the mobile version of the website, but not in the app, because Trivago got the app as well. So if you bring someone who ended up using the mobile app, then you would not get commission. Otherwise, so long as they have used the desktop version of the website or the mobile version, you would still get a commission. Then confirmation process as well. It will take 60 days for them. So let's say, for example, you brought a person who booked something via Trivago and actually made the payment. But for Trivago to confirm that as paid, it's going to take 60 days from the actual payment that when it happened. Then comes other information as well, such as language, geo-targeting. So currently the affiliate program is only targeting people from USA. And then the tools as well, these tools they have available. And then here, project and traffic type. So whenever you see project in here, it simply means your online presence. So what kind of affiliates they are okay with? They only prefer people who has website or blog, and people who are on video platforms such as YouTube and related video platforms. But apart from those kind of affiliates, they kind of reject other affiliates directly. So, and then you can scroll down and you can read through the terms and conditions as well. And about social media, as you can see, they are not okay with them being promoted on social media. So that's another thing to keep in mind. All right, so let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. How do you do that? For that, just click on connect to program. When you do that, it will ask you to select from available online presence that you must have given. In my case, when I created an account with travel payouts, this is the project that I created, or rather the online presence that I have added to travel payouts. In your case, you would see yours. So you can click on request to connect, and then you will get this confirmation. You can just read it, ensure that your project meets the Trivago US program criteria. So this is the criteria. We already read it. It's just written in here. And once we have read it all and we think that's the case with our online presence, we can simply click on all good. So in your case, when you click on all good, you will receive this confirmation. You send the request to connect, and it's going to say that it will take around 2 business days for them to review and give the confirmation. Now, what if you try to apply to the affiliate program? You might end up getting a message that your online or your project doesn't meet the criteria for Trivago. This happens if you have added an online presence which is not equals to website or video platform in Trivago's case. So that's one thing to keep in mind, because travel payouts dashboard, or rather the platform, is made in a way that it would detect what kind of online presence you have based on the information you have provided. So let's say you were successful in sending the request to them. In that case, you can simply click on back to connection, which will show you this. You can simply close it. Now we are still on the Trivago page because there is still some information that you should be aware of. So let's say you waited enough and you waited for 2 days and you got the approval. Great, congratulations. Now the question is, where can you promote and how can you promote them? So you can't just take any link from their website and promote them. You have to use your own tracking link. And for that, you could come to tools, and over here, you would be able to see the links. You can directly take links from here. You can use widget as well. So they got a search and compare hotel deals widget, or you could even take the banners and promote them on your online presence for whatever online presence you got the approval. Now, as you can say, for me, it's not available because I haven't yet gotten the approval, but once I'll get it, I'll see the information. Same way you would be able to see it. Not only that, you would also be able to create your own tracking link for any web page of Trivago using this create a link option on the top right hand side. So for that, you can simply click on create a link. When you do that, you will see a very good widget. You would be able to use this widget to create your own tracking link, but for now it's not loading. It's because to have it used, since we are looking at the profile of Trivago, that's why it's not loading. But we can come to the main page, which is your home page, and then click on it, and we should be able to see the details here, as you can see. So we would be able to select our online presence from here, the program, which means the brand, and we can put any link from the website, and we can even put sub ID, which is optional, and we would be able to copy the tracking link from here. So it's very important that you only promote them using the tracking link in question. Now, okay, you got the link, and you're ready to promote them. The question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, and there are many places you could promote them, but still there's some basic stuff that we should talk about. So first thing is, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you could promote them. Just put the advertisement anywhere that you think would be best suited, probably on the home page or some small section on your website. Totally up to you. You'll be the designer of your own website, isn't it? The second would be blog. Now, I think blog would be amazing because you could literally find any property on or any accommodation on Trivago and probably write blog post about it. And then you can say, if you're interested in booking an accommodation here at this property, click on this link. And that's where you provide your tracking link. So this way you can create a number of blog posts about a number of properties, totally up to you. And you can even attract more people this way. Then the third would be travel and tourism website, which I think would be more suited here. And the reason is evident because, as the name suggests, this kind of website attracts travelers and the people who are interested in tourism. So basically, anyone want to book something related to travel, they would be more attracted to this website. And in case if you got such a website, that's great. You could probably even use the widget that we looked at. So you can integrate that widget on your travel and tourism website. People can directly search for the hotels and book it over there. So that's amazing. So this way you could promote them, but totally up to you. But wherever you decide to promote them, ensure you have gotten the approval from Trivago to promote you there. And we just looked at how you get the approval, isn't it? So let's say you started promoting them, but where would you see the performance? You know, how well you're performing. For that, you have to come back to the dashboard again, the affiliate dashboard of travel payouts. Over here, you can simply click on reports. As you can see, I'm simply on report. And when you click on reports, you would be able to see the summary of, all the your performance. You would be able to see, you can search by group ID, sub ID, program, and all these, even device type and country as well. So you can see your performance this way. If you click on actions, you would be able to see all the bookings that happen. So it will give you the information about that too. But then how about the payment? How will you receive the payment, and where will you see your commission? So the balance that gets accumulated in your account, you would be able to see it here on the top left hand side. So you would see the amount in here, and to receive the balance and to even see more information, you simply click on finance. When you do that, it will take you to the finance page. Over here, you would be able to see more details about your balance. This section will provide you the information about the payment that's being issued to you, and to set up your payment method, you can simply click on payment details. And over here, you have to select the country of residence. So in my case, since I'm from India, so I'm going to select India. In your case, from wherever you are, you can select your country of residence, and based on your location, you would see the payment method. And not just that, with each payment method, you would see an add button to update your payment setup. And not just that, you would also see the minimum payout requirement, what's the fee and everything. So for me, if I select PayPal, then the minimum payout would be $50. That means travel payouts will not release the payment to me unless I have accumulated $50 in my account. But accumulation means, so whatever I will earn from Trivago, Trivago will make the payment to travel payouts, and I have to wait for it to accumulate until 50 before travel payouts issue the payment to me. But if I choose the bank account, then I have to wait for it to get accumulated up to $400. That's for USD. And then for Euro, you got to see 400 euros. So that's for India location. In your case, if you select some other country, you would see options accordingly. And to add information, simply click on add on the payment method that you decide, and enter the information accordingly. And this way you can set up your payment method for you to start receiving commission that you have on. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in finding the affiliate program of Trivago and start promoting them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. And in the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.